Hi, this is Mike with Talking Technologies. Today I'm going to demo to you the project called ClassDemo. How ClassDemo work is, let's assume you have a teachers that have a group of students or people that all speak different languages. How it works is the teachers can either they have options to either they can either type a message in English or they can talk a message in English. And beside English, you can have it where a teacher can be speaking Chinese, English, French, German, Italian, and Spanish. In this case, we're going to choose English. And what we're going to do is this computer here will be the teacher. And we have these three computers here will be the student. This computer here will be the student that speaks Spanish right here, and this one will be the student that speaks Chinese, and then this one will be speaking French. So let's get started. On this computer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Client PC. Okay, then I'm going to assign a user ID for this student, so it'll be 6772 and password 6772 and log in. Okay, so now this student is ready to accept text or voice from the teachers, and this one I'm going to log in also as 6773 for Chinese. 6773 for Chinese. Here it is. Now it's log in. And this one I'm going to log in as French. That will be 6774. Okay. All right. Okay. Now all three of the students are ready. And what will happen is on my end, I'm the teacher, so I'm going to, the website is ClassDemo.net. So I'm going to select the language that will be converted into, and I'm going to check right here, Client PC ID. And as you can see, I assigned 6772 for Chinese, 6773 for Spanish, 6774 for French. So as long as a student log in with this PC ID, then so let's say if you have 3 Chinese students and 6 Spanish students, well, all you have to do is put in this ID, and whenever a teacher speak or write a message, then on their screen they will all see the same thing in Spanish. So I'm going to now do a first demo. So I'm going to type in hello, how are you? So now when I click on process speech, what will happen is the system will process speech, and each of the client PC will get a message that pop up on the screen. So let's start right now. So I'm going to hit on process speech. As you can see, our system is now processing, and within about a second, each of the client PC will see this message, hello, how are you, in their own individual language. So as you can see, they've already started to appear. You don't have to, because they will see it. So as you can see, each of the PC have already have it converted. Now on this one is a Chinese, so I'm going to click the play button.
你好，你如何？
You see that? So that student will hear it in that language. So
你好，
again,
你如何？
okay, and this one is Spanish. As you can see, so I'm going to click on play.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Okay. Now, as you can see, this one is it's French, so French come up. Now, the nice thing about this is it's a two-way. That means the student can also talk to the professors in their own language. So let's say, for example, the Chinese student would say, "I'm doing fine, thank you," in Chinese. The teachers will receive that message in English from the Chinese student that say, "I'm doing fine, thank you." The same thing goes for Spanish and French. So I'm going to type another message. So I'm going to type in, "Hello, class. Today we are going to study history." Okay, so as you can see here, I type in, "Hello class, today we're going to study history." We're going to, let's put it that we're going to learn how to dance. So I'm putting that, today we are going to learn how to dance. So I'm going to submit this again, and the same thing that will happen is each of the PC will see their own the same speech, the same phrase, but in their own native language. So I'm going to hit process now, and we're going to wait about a second, and each of the screen here will see in their own language. There you go. The Chinese student already see in Chinese, and so is the one in Spanish, and the French now is currently already received there in French. When you say please sound load, I mean right now it's loading the sound for this one phrase. So as you can see, I'm going to play this message. Now we can have it to where it will automatically play the sound, so you don't have to click on the play button. So now.
你好，基层。今天我们要学习如何跳舞。
You can see. So I'm gonna replay it again. Let's see here. Let me go. Okay. I'm gonna replay it again.
你好，基层。今天我们要学习如何跳舞。
Okay. And this one, I'm gonna play this one.
Hola clase. Hoy vamos a aprender a bailar.
Okay. And the French student will have their own French language. Bonjour, classe. As you can see, I don't speak French. So now, what I've done today is I have demoed to you the ClassDemo .net. So it's www.class.net. Now, the title of this thing is ClassDemo, but it can be used for anything, any meeting where if you have one person that is the speaker, and you have about 40 even 200 or 300 other individuals that speak different languages. So the presenters, all they have to do is present it in their native language, whether it's English, Spanish, French, or whatever. Then each of the person that are in front of them don't have to worry about, you don't have to have an interpreters, or they don't have to hire someone to stand there, or they don't have to really learn to speak that language. So, so that concludes today's demonstration of ClassDemo.net.